too jittery for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna try and turn the gyro down. A little bit. See if that helps. Oh, I know what it is. I don't know how to change the gain and stuff on my controller. So I got this plugged up. I had plugged this back up from when I was using it in the Jeep. So let me undisconnect that. Now let's turn it on. Let the gyro sync. Try and get the body back on just for test purposes. I don't like driving around without a body. Got some painter's tape in there just to try and hold it on for right now, but I'm gonna turn that gain back up a little bit on the servo or on the gyro. That's almost 50% right there. Here. Alright, we're gonna turn it down a little bit. And there's the jittery. I think it's that way. All right, I turned it down significantly a lot more. Let's go one more lap and then we'll put the body on and do a lap. We're gonna cue the music. We're gonna try and drift this track. Here's our course. Well, it looks a little confusing. I'm gonna put you guys in my mouth, cue the music. Let's do this. Alright, that was me just trying to drift the car. I gotta drift this corner a little bit. Not that great. Plus it's kind of going uphill too. So right here in this corner we're actually climbing uphill. So that slider is and then going downhill right there. And then this one, that back corner. Just gotta learn how to get the throttle right enough for that. I don't even want a 10 scale drift car now. All I want to do is drift this. Oh, that would have been perfect. So a little bit more practice, and I should be able to come out here and give you guys a nice run. I'm thinking about just painting this DRZ body like a primer color until I learn how to drift. Then it deserves the paint, but we're already getting we're already getting little plastic chunks all over the tires. I'm gonna have to order some tires soon. But this is the Atomic DRZ drift. Oh man, this is the perfect kit to learn how to drift. Bye, sexy lady. I was just getting some good drifts when she was out here. Uh-huh. I swear after a couple laps the tires get warm and it gets stickier on this tar. I don't know, it's weird. It's like when I first start driving it'll drip, and then after like a couple laps it gets sticky. Ah. That was a drift. So sometimes I'm getting drifts and then sometimes I'm not getting drifts. I know I told you guys peace, like, share, subscribe, but I can't leave this car alone. How many volts we got left? 6.5 volts. All right. I just want to try and see if I can get one good camera shot of me drifting. One good shot. Let's try right here around this corner right here. That off. Turning right in there. Oh, donut. Wherever the camera is, there's always going to be a donut. Oh. Try it. Yeah. Light throttle. There you go, buddy. No, that's good. Be able to drive the car around the track. That's what you want to be able to do. Oh, yeah, you'll get the hang of it pretty soon. We'll get you a Kyosho Mini Z 4-wheel drive drift, so you'll learn to drift that. That's why we want you to drift that 10 scale. That one's all-wheel drive. So I don't want this rear-wheel drive to put you off, you know what I'm saying? You'd be like, oh, I don't like drifting. There you go, there you go. Getting into power slide out a little bit.
I wasn't even steering that time.
Because it has a gyro. You steer into it and let go, and the car will steer itself once it gets sideways. That's what I got to learn to quit doing, because the Tamiya don't have a gyro, so I have to counter steer. The gyro counter steers for you. All you got to do is steer into the drift, let go.
Like the gyro.
I know, the gyro you got to use to. You like that Tamiya because you can just.
Gyros.
I mean, not meant for gyros. You just got to practice.
Gyro just makes it all harder. It was a lot easier with the
Tamiya.
yeah.
Get some batteries in that controller. Or actually, you ain't even got to get batteries in it. Take the controller that's in the Orlando Hunter and put that in the Tamiya. Because that runs off the battery pack now, the AX5.
The Tamiya's our Tamiya runs off the battery pack now.
Sure, because you got to use the same controller as the Orlando Hunters. Alright, I'll keep spinning out. Oh, that drift? Yeah, I'm getting okay with it. It's going uphill too. That's what's so crazy about it. But if I go this way, nope. That's going downhill, back uphill. I might be able to get this one now. For me, it is. Yeah, going downhill, I'm giving it too much gas or something. Woo! And as always, peace and love, and God bless.